Hi, Cherville parents. Today we'll be exploring how your child can access the Cherville School Library Catalog from home. We'll begin here at the Cherville School webpage. If you come up to the top left corner and hover over School Information, you can pull down and select Media Center. This will take you to the main page for the Cherville Library. Here on the right, you'll notice there's a link that says Destiny, the Library Catalog. If you click on this link, it'll open up Destiny Discover, which is our main page for searching the library catalog. Up at the top, you'll notice a search bar. Underneath, you'll see some banners. This first banner is popular titles. Those are the books which are most frequently circulated in our library. Underneath, you'll see a visual search where you can browse by topic by clicking on a picture. For our purposes today, we are going to come up to our search bar and click in the box so that we can type in a term. In this box, you could type in a keyword, you could type in a subject, the title of a book, or an author. For our example, we'll be typing in the term turtles. So you type directly into the box and hit the enter key. And Destiny will generate a list of all of the books and items that we hold that have the word turtles somewhere in the library record. So we see we have 85 holdings that have turtles somewhere within the listing. These titles right now are sorted by relevance. If you drop down, you can resort the list by call number or by title alphabetically or by author. If you scroll down the list, you can get an example of what the results list looks like. For each record, you'll notice the title, the author's name, what type of holding it is. For example, this is a book. The call number, that means where the book is located in the library. And Destiny also very visually shows us if the book is in or if it's out. If you click on the title, it pulls up a more detailed library record, which also includes a summary and awards, the reading level, and other pertinent information about the book. A new feature this year within Destiny Discover is over here on the right. When you click on the library record, it's all pulling up a list of suggested items. This appears to students often like an Amazon screen, suggested titles, and it finds other books that we hold in the library that Destiny thinks the student might be interested in reading based on their selection. So a nice feature to point the children to other types of books they might enjoy. You can close out this screen by clicking the X in the top right-hand corner, and if you'd like to go back to the main screen, you just click right here on Destiny Discover, and it takes you back to the main search page. If you come down here to the visual search, you can click by topic, and this feature is very nice for students that are browsing, just looking for an idea of something new to read, or if they don't know how to spell a particular term, such as mystery. There to come over, they could click on the picture, and Destiny once again generates a list of results, 200 mystery items sorted by relevance. If you click on the title, it gives you the complete details and that suggested list of items. We'll close it out in the top right corner, and we can return back to the Destiny Discover screen. There are several other ways that your child can get to Destiny Discover from home besides starting at the Cherville School website. Each student is a member of our library Google Classroom. For example, here's our 5th grade library Google Classroom, and within the stream of Google Classroom, there's always a link for Destiny. So the students, if they don't know how to get to the Cherville School website, they can very easily go in through their Google Classroom app, find their library Google Classroom, and access Destiny from the link provided. Students also have an extension on their toolbar, which looks just like this. And if they click on that extension, a small pop-up box will appear where they can type in their search term, hit enter, and it will take them right back to the Destiny Discover screen for the Cherville School Library. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, contact me in the library.